Welcome back to A&W Entertainment. I am Wadney.
I'm Alex.
And today we're going on a boat ride?
A glass bottom boat tour in the Keys.
So that's going to be nice. So we're going to take you guys with us. It's only like 7 miles away.
Yeah. It's only a 2-hour tour.
Yeah.
Famous last words.
So at the end of this vlog, oh my god.
After we're done with that, we're probably just gonna go hit the pool and chill for a bit.
Yeah, we already have context of the pool, so I'm probably gonna lay it out.
Yeah, you guys have seen us at the pool enough.
Yeah, like
glass bottom boat tour. No, I've never actually done one of these, so
yeah.
This is actually a first for me. I've been on boats, but not one of these. Still nice and laid back.
And the last time we came, we went on the boat with the Fury.
Oh, the Fury package. Yeah, with like
I was so scared.
Parasailing. Oh, I was so freaking hungover that day though. Words to the wise: don't go on an all-day boat trip after going out to Duval Street the night before. It's not a pleasant experience.
Yeah.
The fish ate very well that afternoon, needless to say.
Oh my god, like shit-faced it. Oh my god, I'm trying not to.
Oh, yeah, that was for my 30th birthday.
Yeah.
Me and Wadney went all the way up Duval Street and all the way back down.
And it was his birthday, so guess what? It was like shots all around because it's Alex's birthday.
People were getting us free drinks.
Yeah, it was really nice, you guys. If I do see some videos, I'm gonna insert them. If you don't see any, that means I couldn't find any.
Oh, from Key West? I think we do have a couple.
Yeah, so I'll try to insert them in the video. So you guys can see that we did do that. Because like I said, I do have a lot of contents on my phone, but I feel like it'll be more story time. So I'm gonna try to put some of our current stuff that we're doing,
snappers,
and put it in. But I'm going to enjoy myself. I did put sunscreen on.
I put sunscreen on too.
Who says like, you know, because you're black, you're not supposed to put sunscreen on. You gotta get some.
And I know I'll burn, so.
Yeah, because you're blonde.
Yeah.
So that makes sense. Of course you're gonna burn, baby. Let it burn. I like how you let it.
But I think underneath in the boat where the glass bottom is, it's like dark, so and climate controlled.
Oh really? Well, I'll see if I could try. I could try to put lighting so you guys can see the fishes. And I see the fishes too.
I think they have it set up so you can like specifically see underneath. I don't know. We'll see. Once again, I've never done one of these before.
Comment down below about this lipstick I got on. I don't know. Now after seeing the video, I'm like, what was I thinking?
It's like it always does that. Oh my god, we have to get our mask. He'll just watch me. Watch me struggling with the camera. He's not gonna say, hey, here, let me get the camera and then you can pack your stuff. I said, you're just letting me struggle. You're not even saying, hey, let me get the camera. Why you? So that means you couldn't just help me though? Okay, our mask on.
right there, here at the end of the building at a corner tip.
The boat directly. Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're not supposed to come here?
Oh, that's what it said on here. That's why I got it.
So are you driving or are you walking?
No, you can walk.
Oh. Gosh, it makes no sense. That's why I like the tripod. It's like so. I hope you guys could hear me. That's totally. Babe, is that where you know where you're going?
Over there.
I should show you guys. Like. I hope it's showing you guys some stuff because I don't know the angle of it. What? Babe, why don't you just ask? Oh, just get on?
I don't know. I want to ask you one, so.
I think it's the other way. That's how you go up.
Yeah.
So you guys. Yep. Oh my god, you guys. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, let's go get my pretzel. You guys, look how beautiful it is out here. Look at Alex and his drink. I don't know how much Alex didn't grab, but look at. Would you look at this? So you guys, this is such a beautiful view. Then I realized the music was going on in the background. So your girl's not trying to get copyrighted. So I'll put some music on, but enjoy the view, you guys.